What's up, guys? Today Colty and I have a 18-piece bath toy set. How cool is that?
Cool!
But what's cool about this set is not only are they going to stimulate imagination and play, but they're also perfectly safe and mold-free and very easy to wash. You ready to open them up and show everybody, Colt?
Yeah!
All right, we're going to open them up and show them to you guys.
Okay.
Ooh. What is that?
I don't know.
I don't know. Oh, okay, that's cool. It's got a little mat. Go ahead, let's see what's in there.
Okay.
Let's just dump them out. I'll take this. So many toys. Go ahead, look.
So, you see this red dino?
So what you're getting with this set is an assortment of dinosaurs from pink to orange to green to purple to red to blue. Then you have these building blocks as well. Start putting the blocks together. But the way these blocks are designed, they're going to help you with your visual skills, coordination skills, logic and associative skills, sensory stimulation, motor skills, discovery, and explore. It encourages all that. So if you look on the blocks have different shapes on the bottoms. So you actually have to find a matching shape. Like, where's a cross? We need to find another cross. Pyramid, that one's a pie. That one's a circle. What are these over here?
Star.
A trapezoid, a clover.
The star.
Oh, here's the cross. Look, over here. So here's the cross. Hold the cross. And this one has a cross on the bottom. So these two go together. How cool is that?
And the next one is a star.
Yep. But not only do they have the shapes and are stackable, they also have different patterns and textures, different pictures. They also have numbers on them as well. So they're a great little educational tool as well as bathtub entertainment.
Oh!
The toys come with this little mesh bag, which our tile can't hold a suction cup because it's too rough textured. But if you have a smooth surface, you can put your toys in there. And then when the water drains, the toys will sit there and all the water will drain off of them and they'll stay nice and dry and mold free and ready for the next experience. What do you think, Colty?
I like it.
You like it?
I'm trying to find the star piece.
Well, we hope you guys enjoy your bathtub toys and we hope this video helps.
And thanks for watching.
And thanks for watching.